हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू टुडेज लाइव। ये लाइव बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि बहुत दिन बाद हम लेके आए 8500 वाला लाइव। इसमें सारे सूट प्योर सिल्क के हैं और 8500 में है। और आप सोचे कि ओकेजन क्या है? ऑफ कोर्स वैलेंटाइंस डे तो है ही है, बट हम खोल रहे एक नया स्टूडियो इन दिल्ली एंड उसके लिए ये ऑफर तो बनता है। मैंने सोचा था फर्स्ट लाइव मैं वहां पे करूंगी, बट अभी तक रेडी हुआ नहीं है। So everything you see today is in pure silk and it's for 8500. All are one pieces. Just book fast. This is in chinia silk kurta and chinia silk dupatta with the chinia silk bottom. This is how the dupatta ka this looks like, and these are all Sona Rupa bootas and there's a plain bottom. Now all these pieces, this is a 3-piece suit set. You can get it for 8500. Take a screenshot, come to WhatsApp. You know the drill, how to do it. It's gonna be very fast moving. हम usually इस पे sold out हो जाते हैं. The second one is this lime green, very beautiful chinia silk kurta with this kora tissue dupatta, and every piece will have bottom. And this is a beautiful kora tissue dupatta. I'm gonna show you how it looks. This is the one panel of kora, one panel of tissue. And this is how the full set looks. Very pretty, ready to ship out. सारे orders Monday ship होंगे, so you can just book. This is a beautiful tussar kurta in red, and this is the beautiful dupatta. Now you talk about the bottom. इसमें black color का bottom आएगा, black आएगा ना bottom? हाँ, black color का bottom आएगा. Just look at this. Such a beautiful set. Again in pure silk. Everything is, weave in handloom and beautiful dupatta. Now this one which I showed last time also. This is in chinia silk kurta and इसका ये chinia silk का kadwa dupatta है. Just look at this design in kadwa which is ready to ship out. डोंट मिस द अपॉर्चुनिटी दिस टाइम. अगर पिछली बार आपसे रह गया हो तो इस टाइम आप बिल्कुल शॉप कर सकते हो इसको. 3-piece सूट 8500. ये लाइव डिलीट कर दूंगी मैं कल के कल ही. देयर आर सम एक्सक्लूसिव वेरी प्रिटी पीसेस दैट यू कैन शॉप आउट. इफ यू वांट COD, दैट्स चार्जेबल. दैट्स 150 rupees फॉर COD. एंड यू कैन, दिस इज अ कोरा सूट विथ कोरा टिश्यू दुपट्टा एंड दिस लुक्स स्टनिंग, like stunning. फटाफट शॉप कर सकते हो. very very pretty suits. This is how it looks. Now this is one of my favorite suit because this is in small boota in raw mango silk and उसका इसका दुपट्टा इतना ज्यादा स्टनिंग है कि I think this is gonna be like the first piece to be sold out. This is in kadwa, the complete set and a beautiful suit. Just look at this. The dupatta is stunning. It has a 4 sides border. It's kadwa and there is a this design. It's a beautiful orange color. The prepayment is what we are looking at. क्योंकि बाद में आप अपना like I hope you understand when you get into business आपको समझ में आता है कि cancellation especially सेल के टाइम में really hurts. This is in lavender pink color. It is a linen silk kurta. चिनिया silk का bottom रहेगा and this is a कोरा kadwa dupatta. So everything that you see is in kadwa. Now one stunning piece that I really want you guys to get a note of is this yellow silk. This is a chinia silk kurta and this is this stunning dupatta with the lace. Now 8500 is the price of the live and you can shop all the pieces you want. Just pick up like 5-6 because ये offer नहीं. अगर आपके घर में कोई wedding है, आपको gift करना है, the dupatta has a beautiful meenakari and you are looking something for the pure silk pieces, then this is the live for you. You should definitely have it. Get it. Now this one in chinia silk is a beautiful piece again. And this one in the dupatta with shaded grey and a black chap dye is the piece for you. It's 8500. What else you need? Just take a screenshot and pick it up right away. Now one piece that I really love is this stunning piece. Now it has a stunning dupatta in blue color and the blue. This is the border. I mean, very very stunning. मैं आपको इसका बूटा क्लोजली दिखा देती हूँ. Love the piece. What you're gonna do is take a screenshot. Some pieces that needs home. Some handloom pieces. और ये वाला 3-piece चीनिया सिल्क में आएगा इसका कुर्ते में. बहुत छोटी और बहुत क्यूट मीनादार बूटाज है. And this has a very beautiful temple design dupatta. Prices like never before, especially when the चांदी का rates are so high. So real zari, मैं आपको एक बात बताती हूँ, जो रियल जरी होती है प्योर पे जो बनता है उसमें एक चांदी की मिक्स होती है. नॉट ओनली इन द सिल्वर जरी कलेक्शन बट नॉर्मल जो भी अगर प्योर पे सूट बन रहा है उसमें सब में चांदी मिक्स होता है जरी में. तो यूजुअली द जरी विच यूज टू कॉस्ट लाइक 2500 रुपीज a roll now costs around 4000 rupees. So it's getting expensive if it's real, and so it's a good opportunity for you to buy these pieces. Now the border has very 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 beautiful this border and this beautiful stunning bootas. These bootas have a pink meenakari, very pretty. Now it's in beautiful red color. Oh my god, this one is one of my favorite pieces because the dupatta you have to see. इस बार का जो 8500 का लाइव है is like a throwaway prices. Like you will never get it types anywhere. That I guarantee. बहुत ही सुंदर करवा पे इतना जाल और करवा पे दुपट्टा. It's technically not possible. Look at this. Very pretty. Pick your pieces. Shop right now because we are going. This is one in tussar silk, very pretty tussar, and this one with chiffon dupatta. The live will also be posted on the Facebook. You can share it with your family, friends, anyone. This has a beautiful set. I love this color. This is such a beautiful rama green color suit. This one is again in a munga silk rust color suit, and this one is a stunning dupatta in rust color. Valentine पे सिर्फ क्यों शॉप कर रहे हैं? Western dresses, why not some good Indian wear? You know, we live in a country जहाँ पे इतना हम culture को celebrate करते हैं. तो wear something very beautiful. Now this one with this beautiful buta in Rani pink color with the Rani pink meena is something you would love to have it. And this is the dupatta. Now look at this Rani pink stunning piece where you can have it for your Valentine और फिर मैम इस रेंज में जो भी है वो मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ 8500 में. This is such a stunning piece. Now the last piece of 8500 live is this one. Whatever you like, take a screenshot, come to WhatsApp. The number is 95604-15872. मेरा नाम है शानिका. You can save my number with the name. With this temple design, I am gonna, end the live. Those are stunning pieces. I hope you grab this opportunity because they are amazing. I'm gonna save this live. Go watch the live and book the pieces right now.